Hello, welcome to my tutorial to teach you the basics of Google SketchUp. So to start with, you want to open up a blank page, as you can see on your screen currently. So along the top, as you can see, there is the toolbar. Now you can also see that there is a person in the middle of your page. We're going to keep this person here so that you can keep a good idea of the view of the page, as without her the dimensions and angles can become very confusing. So now to start with, we're going to use the line tool. This is very simple and similar to other tools that you may have seen, and its job is essentially the same, to draw a line. So all we have to do is select the tool using your mouse and then drag it along and then release. Here, as you can see, we now have a line along the horizontal axis. Now the next tool should also be familiar to you. The square tool again does exactly what it says on the tin. It allows you to draw a square on the page. Again, to use this, you simply select, hold down, drag, and then release when it's the size that you want it to be. And there, you have your square. Okay, so the next tool is the circle tool. Exactly the same as the line tool and the square tool, it does what its name says and is very simple to use. All you've got to do is select, hold down, drag, and then release. So now we move on to a tool that you may not have seen before. This is the arc tool. Now, the arc tool is just like the other tools that I have shown you and is very simple to use. This tool allows you to draw curves without having to draw a whole circle. All you have to do is the same process. Select the tool, hold down, drag, select, and then you can see here the curve creates itself by dragging outwards again. So next is the eraser tool. This is exactly the same as a button, delete button or tool that you will have used on another software. All you have to do for this is select your eraser and then move it to the area that you wish to get rid of. And then all you have to do is click. And hey presto, you've deleted that sector. So now to use the tape measure tool. All you have to do is take the length of the object and then hold down the cursor and then, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, the measurements come up. Now this measurement is in feet and inches, however you can alter this to be in centimetres and millimetres. So the next tool you want to use is the paint bucket tool. Here, all you have to do is select it and then a new window will come up. Now, this will under here there is a drop down box and this will offer you a number of different ones. However, one we're going to choose is asphalt and concrete. So, for example, here we can choose the brick wall, which you select, and then you simply go over to the object you want to fill in and click. And then, as you can see, it is now that shade or colour. So the next tool I'm going to show you how to use is the push-pull tool. This allows you to add dimensions to your design. So to use this tool, you simply have to select it and then click onto the face that you wish to add a dimension to and drag upwards or downwards. It's as simple as that. And as you can see, our rectangle has now become a cuboid. So now we're going to use the move tool. Basically, this allows you to change the angle of any of the faces on your object. All you have to do in order to use this is select it and then hold down the face of whichever angle you want to change and then move backwards or forwards so that you have the desired angle. So now we're going to move on to the orbit tool. Now this is also very simple to use. All you have to do is select, then hold down anywhere on the page, and then you can rotate to the point where you can view your object at any angle that you wish, as such. So we're nearly at the end of this tutorial now, so hang on in there. You've nearly got it. This tool I'm going to show you is called the pan tool. This allows you to move your view of the page up, down, left or right without having to change the angle. All you have to do for it is select and then click down anywhere on the page, and then you can move up, down, left or right till you have your desired view. So lastly is your zoom tool. This is a tool you'll be familiar with and is the most basic. All you have to do is select it and then click anywhere and move in or outwards so that you can zoom in on your design. So that is this tutorial finished. I hope you've enjoyed it. Now, practice, practice, practice and have fun. Experiment. And also remember, if you can't remember how to use a tool, try these steps. Select, hold down, drag and then release, and this will almost always give you a positive result.